Oregano is an herb belonging to the Lamiaceae family. It can be used fresh or dried, and its essential oil is considered to have the same beneficial effects as the herb itself. This video will present the many benefits this little herb has to offer. Number 1. Antioxidant properties. Oregano is rich in antioxidants, including phenols, flavonoids, and rosmarinic acid. These compounds help protect the body against free radicals, which are unstable molecules that can cause cellular damage and contribute to various diseases, including cancer and heart disease. Number 2. Anti-inflammatory effects. Oregano contains compounds such as carvacrol and thymol, which have anti-inflammatory properties. These compounds can help reduce inflammation in the body, potentially benefiting conditions like arthritis and inflammatory bowel disease. Number 3. Antimicrobial activity. Oregano has natural antimicrobial properties, thanks to the presence of compounds like thymol and carvacrol. These compounds have been shown to have antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal effects, which may help combat infections caused by microorganisms. Number 4. Digestive health. Oregano has traditionally been used to aid digestion. It can help stimulate the production of digestive enzymes, improve nutrient absorption, and alleviate symptoms like bloating and indigestion. Number 5. Respiratory health. Oregano contains compounds that may benefit the respiratory system. It has expectorant properties, which means it can help promote the clearance of mucus from the airways. Oregano oil has been used as a natural remedy for coughs, colds, and other respiratory infections. Number 6. Immune system support. Oregano is rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that can support immune function. It can help strengthen the immune system and protect against infections and diseases. Number 7. Heart health. Some research suggests that oregano may have beneficial effects on heart health. It has been found to help reduce cholesterol levels, blood pressure, and oxidative stress, all of which are risk factors for heart disease. Number 8. Cancer-fighting properties. Oregano contains compounds that have been shown to have anti-cancer properties in lab studies. These compounds can help inhibit the growth of cancer cells, and induce apoptosis, cell death, in cancer cells. How to consume oregano. There are several ways to incorporate oregano into your diet to reap its health benefits. Here are some suggestions. Culinary uses. Oregano is a versatile herb commonly used in Mediterranean and Italian cuisine. You can add fresh or dried oregano to various dishes like pasta sauces, pizzas, soups, salads, marinades, and roasted vegetables. It adds a savory flavor and aroma to the dishes while providing potential health benefits. Oregano tea. You can make oregano tea by steeping fresh or dried oregano leaves in hot water for about 5 to 10 minutes. Strain the leaves and drink the tea. Oregano tea can help with digestion, respiratory health, and immune support. Oregano oil. Oregano oil is a concentrated form of oregano that should be used with caution. It is available in health stores and online. You can add a few drops of oregano oil to a carrier oil like olive oil or coconut oil and use it topically for its antimicrobial properties. However, it's important to dilute it properly and do a patch test before applying it to your skin. Oregano oil can also be taken orally, but it's advisable to consult with a healthcare professional for appropriate dosages and guidance. Herbal remedies. Oregano is sometimes used in herbal remedies and natural supplements. These supplements are available in capsule or liquid form and should be used according to the manufacturer's instructions. It's recommended to consult with a healthcare professional before using any herbal remedies or supplements. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. If you have any questions or feedback, please let us know in the comments section below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video, share with your friends, and subscribe to get updates on new videos.